How to install Windows 10 without a Microsoft account. 2026 update. Select your country or region and then click Yes.
Select your keyboard layout and then select Yes. Click Skip on the Want to add a second keyboard layout screen.
If you do not have a Microsoft account, then select Offline Account. Sign in to enjoy the full range of Microsoft apps and services. Click Limited Experience. Enter your local account name and click Next. Type the password into the password box, then click Next. Again, type the same password to conform your account password, then click Next. On the Security Question page, create the 3 security question for recovering your account password, then click Next. Always have access to your recent browsing data. Click the Accept button. Choose your privacy settings. Microsoft enables all of the settings by default, but to disable a setting, click Accept button. Customize your device. Once you select what you are doing with your device, click Accept button. You don't have to do anything here, just make sure that you don't accidentally turn off your computer.